This spacious, highly functional and well-insulated home with a clean, modern, minimalistic aesthetic is built using shipping containers with bump outs that provide a significantly greater living space. From the entrance is a welcoming living space surrounded by many windows that offer tons of natural light. The living area features a comfortable couch placed in front of a double door to make use of the great outdoor view. In addition, the living area also features a table, a small cabinet, a TV, and 2 floor standing speakers. On the left of the living area is a well-lit kitchen and office area. The kitchen is fully functional with an induction plate, stainless steel sink, amazing apartment-sized appliances, Korean countertops, and a large pantry. On the other side of the kitchen is an office space. The office area consists of a long table and 2 chairs, which can also be used as a dinette area. Off the kitchen area is a bathroom. It features a vanity, a sink and a large shower cabin, a giant mirror, and a flushing toilet. Even though the house is tiny, the master bedroom is truly spacious, and it's primarily due to the bump outs. The ample daylighting, the white painted walls, the minimalistic interior, and the bump outs make the indoor space feel bigger and comfortable. The container home is designed to connect with its natural surroundings. The exterior comes with a wraparound porch where chairs and tables can be added to enjoy the warm weather. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial vibe of the design. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing weekly videos on shipping container architecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.